to the places where we used to meet before. Cause lately I've been feeling so confused. We've gone our separate ways and never see you face to face. But in my dreams I'm always running back to you. So tell me why I'm tripping over lines, stuck between you and I'm such a fool.
Hello po. Bait naman.
Hide from my memories with you. But when I close my eyes, you're there beside me on the beach that night. And when you say goodbye, it's still on my mind. Gotta find a way to stop thinking. Even if you don't have.
Hi. Vlog ko. Hi. We're in Ateneo. Why are you the happy one? This is your school na. Yay!
This teacher doesn't believe in technology.
Oh my god.
Let's go here. Only one he allows, and he's strict that you have to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Not face.
Why?
They're protesting.
Yay! Thank you! You sound so disappointed.
Everybody tells me that. Stop. Or am I gonna stay like this? Oh, it's weird.
It's mostly school.
Well, now you're showing something different.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record.
Hoy, hi to my vlog, everyone!
Yan. Yuko ka lang para malamig.
Okay. Ako mo ko isimenta na kami.
Ano natin, ma'am? Reservation.
Young MJ here. Go on your go on your camera.
Guys, yung mga inumin walang may iwan dito.
Yes, ma'am.